Hello everybody, my name is Ricardo Hasso. I am a first year graduate student and I have been working in the technology field as a computer network technician for the last decade. Throughout that time, I have seen how fast technology has been growing inside the industry as well as the changes it creates outside of it. I believe that by refining my skills within this field will help me advance as a professional in the industry, while also assisting those within the industry and strengthening it. By taking these courses, I will effectively strengthen my skills in my line of work and advance as a professional. Learning new skills and attaining knowledge will also assist me greatly in my endeavor. I would like to challenge myself while engaging in these courses to gauge my knowledge on certain subjects and see where I stand. Once I complete these courses, I would like to partake in more complex courses that are designed to build the skills an individual needs to advance in their field of work. Technology grows rapidly every day, so it is important to stay on top of it. I feel that by engaging in these courses, they will help me meet my goals. The website I am using to take courses is codeacademy.com. Code Academy has a multitude of classes you can engage in, ranging from programming, cybersecurity, AI, or even just taking beginner classes that teach you the basics of the skills you are interested in learning. I really enjoy using Code Academy in my self-directed learning journey. As stated, it has a lot of courses to choose from and saves your progress as you advance in a course. You don't have to finish a course all in one day. You can take your time and progress as you wish, which I think is amazing. It also recommends courses for you depending on the classes you are taking. I think this is great because if you're interested in advancing a particular skill, the recommendations will greatly help out in doing so. Once you click on a class, it will also give you a breakdown of the class and what it consists of, and if a certification is involved in the end of the course. I also like how it breaks down the class into segments so you can be prepared for what the class is going to be about. Some classes have projects that need to be done in order for the class to be completed. I like the way terms and information are explained throughout the courses. If you don't know a subject, it helps that there are images that go along with the information. This makes it easier on the individual or yourself that is trying to learn the information. For example, here in consensus, it says, when a social engineer convinces victims that they have already been trusted by others. And it gives you a picture of it, a consensus. Hi, I'm with your IT department. And it lets you know that that's part of cybersecurity as well when someone is trying to sneak into an office. While browsing through Code Academy, I found myself engaging in different courses and challenging myself in different skill areas. I was learning how to code while learning about cybersecurity, which is crazy. That's another neat thing about Code Academy. You don't have to finish a course to start another one. You can start a course and finish one as you like. Code Academy gives the user a lot of freedom in that aspect. Code Academy also gives quizzes in between the lessons to test your knowledge. I found these to be very helpful when taking my courses because if I wasn't sure about something I had read, the quiz would let me know if it was right or wrong and let me know what the correct answer was. Now, as you can see here, I select the answer which I think is correct, and once I do so, it lets me know the answer is correct, and I can advance to the next section. It also gives you a progress bar as you advance through the course, and your experience in the skills you are learning goes up as well. Not all quizzes are that simple. Some require putting the right term in the right spot in order to answer correctly. That's why it is important to remember the information that was given during the section before the quiz. As you advance through the courses, the quizzes tend to get more complex. This is a good thing though, because you are being challenged, and by doing so, you are learning and strengthening your skills on the subject. All those complex quizzes are worth it though, because at the end of it, you are given this at the end of the course, a certificate for completing the course in its entirety and passing all the quizzes. Once you get your certification, you can browse around your Code Academy profile and you can look at your certificate, click on it, and there you go. From here, you can save it as a PDF, print it out, put it on your wall in your office, wherever you'd like. It's yours now because you earned it. I feel that by accomplishing this task, I am motivated to continue learning and advancing through different courses. This is just the beginning of my self-directed learning journey. I am completely sure that this is going to lead me to study harder and acquire an in-demand certification in my field, which will help me advance to the next level. I am excited to keep learning and let my peers know about my journey and how we can all learn together and advance as a team. Thank you for watching my self-directed learning journey video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day, guys.